Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. In this video, we'll look at how to pronounce analogy and analogous. So in the word analogy, we have second syllable stress, and the letter A says the A vowel, just like in that or cat. You can try matching it by saying a phrase like that analogy to be able to get that A vowel correct. That means the first letter A, because the stress is here on the na syllable, that first letter A is going to be a schwa, and it sounds like So don't make any A-like sound, not a or ah, but analogous. Analogy, excuse me. So it can help to practice by starting on that stress syllable, analogy. That's going to really help you get that rhythm and that nice short reduced vowel in that first unstressed syllable. Then our O becomes also an sound. It's also a schwa because it's in an unstressed syllable. In analogy, we have the j sound at the end for the letter G, just like in gentleman or gender. I've rewritten that here for you with letter J to help you notice the j. And finally, letter Y says E, so analogy. But in analogous, it changes, it changes to a g sound, where letter G can also say the g, like guy or great. We do have the same first three syllables, anala, and then we just change to the g sound, and again, a reduced vowel, schwa. You might even hear it as an I sound, analogous. So making sure that you have the difference between analogy and analogous. Not stressing on those, but of course stressing on the a sound. Analogy, analogous. Once you can say analogy and analogous by themselves, do try practicing them in some short phrases just so they come smoothly with the correct sounds and the correct rhythm for you in your everyday speech. If you need more help for any of the sounds in these words or any of the sounds of American English, do check out our Sounds of English course on speechmodification.com. It's going to walk you through all of the sounds and spelling, accent patterns to watch out for, differences in pronunciation, and it's a great way to build a strong foundation to pronounce any word you like confidently and easily in American English. That's our Sounds of English course on speechmodification.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting really does help the channel grow, and I appreciate it. Thanks so much for our subscribers, and a special shout out to our channel members. Looking forward to seeing you in our Saturday live question and answer class and in our Sunday members only class. I'll be back again tomorrow with another Word of the Day video. I hope to see you there. I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. speechmodification.com. Bye everyone. Hope to see you again soon.